Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one product. It's called equals.app. It is used for building dashboards. This is the most flexible way to build dashboards. So you can forget those BI tools. This will build fully automated dashboards with the flexibility and the familiarity of a spreadsheet. So I will show you how it works in this video.
Today we're going to build out a dashboard in our very own equals spreadsheet. So in order to get started, I want to make sure that I'm connected to the live data. So first things first, I'm going to check out my GA connection. We're all set. I could also connect to data warehouse, any other data source like HubSpot or Stripe. I can see in the purple columns that my live data is pulling through, so we're all good. Next, I'm going to move on to these green columns on the side, which are calculated columns. And what I've done is I've pulled in some formulas for the month, year, and week number. Same formulas you know and love from Excel and Google Sheets. All of this is looking good to me. So what I'm going to do is move on to the next step, which is starting to build out tables, charts, and ultimately creating a dashboard. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, I already have some tables that I've started to build out. I am using a simple SUMIF formula to kind of pull in those traffic numbers on a daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly basis. And this is where the magic happens. I am going to go ahead and press enable auto expand for all of these tables. And what that means is as the data updates, so will the tables, so that you never have to drag down a formula ever again. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop in a chart to illustrate what this looks like. Super simple. You have a sleek little side panel to adjust the chart as needed. I've already built out some of these, so I'm just going to delete that chart. And instead, we're going to look at the charts that I've built out up top already that are organized by day, by week, by month, and by year. As you can see right now, this data ends at the end of January, so I want to make sure that that's refreshed and up to date. I'm going to press refresh all connections, and as you can see, those charts update automatically, pulling in data now through mid-Feb, so I'm all set. My traffic dashboard is up to date. In addition, this table that we were looking at earlier that only went through the week of 123 was also updated, which is really great to see. At this point, I can go crazy and organize my spreadsheet. So what I'm going to do is I am adjusting some of these charts to make sure that they're snapped to grid. This makes for a really neat appearance, but importantly, it also makes sure that the charts stay fluid and move as you add in new rows or columns and grow your dashboard over time. In addition, I can also invite anyone to view or edit this dashboard. Again, super simple to edit because everyone understands the spreadsheet. And that's it. That's how we built out a dashboard in Equals within a 2-minute demo. Excited to see what you
subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.